Hi everyone, and welcome to another video by I Passed the CPA Exam. The website, IPassedTheCPAExam.com, was created by Stephanie Ng, CPA. Stephanie is a published CPA Exam Guide author, webinar leader, CPA expert, CFO, and is highly respected in the accounting space. IPassedTheCPAExam.com is the #1 community for CPAs and CPA candidates. Let's get right into today's topic. If you are looking for women's professional business attire, it can be hard to know what to wear. I wanted polished, classic pieces that look high quality. Plus, I wanted them sent straight to my door, so I thought I'd give Stitch Fix a try. I just want to note right here that Stitch Fix did not pay for this review, and it's not a commercial. These clothes were purchased from Stitch Fix to see if they might be a viable option for women's professional business attire. We'll find out together because today I'm opening my first box. I need business attire for interviews, office visits, and networking events. To stick to a professional dress code, that means suit-like separates, blazers, blouses, and maybe a nice dress or some tailored pants. Plus, if I'm going to be on my feet for a meet and greet event, I want some comfortable but polished shoes. I hope Stitch Fix got it right. Let's see what they sent me. A great blouse gives your outfit a little color under a basic blazer. This sleeveless one will let my arms move under a jacket. Plus, it has a modest neckline and the print isn't too loud. Dresses could be a good option at work. I could pair this dress with a dark colored blazer to make it more appropriate for big meetings. I really think that professional blazers and pants should be tailored for the most polished look, and these fit the bill. Plus, you can get more mileage out of your basic pieces if they're neutral, but this lighter colored jacket might not be formal enough for my most important meetings with big clients. Shoes are an important part of a businesswoman's professional look, so I'm glad I've got a pair in my Stitch Fix box. They should have a heel for the most polished look, but chunkier heels are coming back in style again. The heel is tall enough to make me look elegant, but comfortable enough to walk to the office. All in all, I think this Stitch Fix box is what I needed for a professional business look because it is neat and polished, conservative, professional. Plus, these business professional pieces are timeless, not trendy, are well made and high quality, and they should fit great. Thanks for joining me today as I unboxed my new package from Stitch Fix. If you enjoyed this video, you'll find more useful information about your career in finance or accounting at IPassedTheCPAExam.com. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.